Margaret isn't alone. Millions of older adults in the US are living with high cholesterol and worried about their hearts, their independence, and their future.
But what if the first thing in the morning, the drink in that cup, could quietly start fighting back against those numbers? This story isn't just about Margaret. It's about any older adult who has looked at a lab result and wondered if there's anything more they can do beyond another prescription. In this video, viewers follow Margaret as she discovers 5 simple, science-backed morning drinks that can help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and fit into a real person's life. And if they stay until the end, they'll see the #1 drink, a creamy miracle oat-based drink, built step by step, designed especially with older hearts in mind. Inside Margaret's body, cholesterol is riding along her bloodstream like traffic on a busy highway. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, carries cholesterol out to the body. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, acts more like the cleanup crew, picking up extra cholesterol and taking it back to the liver. When there's too much LDL, deposits can build up inside artery walls, forming plaque and narrowing blood flow over time. This is why doctors focus on lowering those numbers. Supporting healthy HDL levels is tied to a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. It ensures the cleanup crew is doing its job effectively. Medications like statins are proven to help many people, especially at higher risk. But food and drink choices matter too. Margaret has agreed to stay on her doctor-prescribed plan, but she also wants her morning routine to work with her, not against her. So, what exactly makes a good morning drink for cholesterol? And how did these 5 make the list? So, how did these 5 drinks make the list? We followed 3 simple rules to ensure they actually work for someone like Margaret. First, real science. Each drink is supported by human clinical trials showing a real effect on LDL and total cholesterol. No guesswork involved. Second, practicality. These aren't exotic powders. Every ingredient can be found at your local supermarket, fitting right into a US senior's kitchen. And third, taste and comfort matter. A healthy habit only works if you actually enjoy it every day, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. Every viewer has a unique health story. If you're on medication like statins or blood thinners, check with your doctor or pharmacist before starting any new daily routine. With those ground rules in place, Margaret's first experiment starts at number 5, a glass that looks like dessert but quietly helps her arteries. Margaret's daughter left a bottle of dark red juice in her fridge saying, "Mom, this stuff is good for your heart." Today, she finally unscrews the cap. Pomegranate and deeply colored berries are packed with plant compounds called polyphenols, especially anthocyanins and unique antioxidants like punicolagens. These antioxidants help protect LDL particles from oxidative damage, essentially preventing them from becoming rusty and more likely to stick to artery walls. Studies have associated pomegranate juice with modest reductions in LDL and triglycerides and small increases in HDL in some individuals. The effect isn't magic, but as part of a routine, this dark red drink can gently nudge your cholesterol in a better direction. Watch for added sugar, and remember, some heart medicines interact with juices, so always consult your doctor before adding a new daily drink. Option 1 is simple, about half a cup of 100% pomegranate juice, diluted with water if you prefer, and served alongside a high-fiber breakfast. Or try a berry-rich smoothie, 1 cup of plant milk, frozen mixed berries, and a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. This one drink gives her antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, 3 quiet helpers for her heart health story. Next, Margaret discovers a creamy everyday staple that lowers the saturated fat she drinks in the first place. Stay tuned. Her doctor mentioned that swapping out some saturated fat from full-fat dairy could help her LDL come down. Today, she experiments with something new in her morning coffee. Unsweetened soy milk has 2 important advantages for cholesterol. It's naturally low in saturated fat, and it provides soy protein, which has been shown to modestly lower LDL cholesterol. A Stanford trial found a 5% drop in LDL with daily soy protein. Meta-analyses show an average reduction of 3 to 5%, a small but meaningful change for heart health. For an older adult like Margaret, that might mean shaving several points off LDL just by pouring a different milk into the morning mug. Choose unsweetened and fortified options for bone health. And as always, if you have a history of thyroid disease or certain cancers, check with your doctor first. Option A is a coffee upgrade. Warm and froth a quarter cup of unsweetened soy milk and pour it into your morning brew for a heart-smarter latte. Or simply enjoy a glass alongside your morning oats. It's a small swap that starts to feel normal quickly, knowing every sip is heart-smarter. Still, Margaret's doctor mentioned a special cholesterol-blocking drink in the dairy aisle, something designed almost like a little daily tool. That's the next experiment. She'd walked past these little bottles for years, not realizing that some of them are built specifically to block cholesterol from getting into her bloodstream. Plant sterols and stanols are natural compounds that compete with cholesterol for absorption. They essentially crowd the doors that cholesterol would normally pass through. Reviews show that about 2 grams per day of plant stanols or sterols can lower LDL cholesterol by roughly 7 to 10%, a significant drop for a simple daily drink. For many, this kind of drop is similar to what a low dose of cholesterol medicine might do. Doctors often suggest these products as part of a food-first approach. Take these with a meal that includes some fat for the best effect. And if you're already on lipid-lowering meds, check with your doctor first. At home, she keeps them near her morning vitamins. It's a quick, easy shot with her breakfast, not on an empty stomach, and it fits right into her morning. If this practical, food-based approach is useful, please tap the like button and subscribe. It helps us reach more seniors who need this. And tell us in the comments, which drink would you add first? Because the next drink comes from an ancient tradition, and drink number 1 might be the most powerful of them all. Stay with us. On days her heart feels a little jumpy, or her sleep has been rough, she wants something gentler than strong coffee. That's when she reaches for a simple green tea bag. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG. These help protect LDL from damage and may even reduce how much cholesterol your gut absorbs. A review of 31 trials with over 3,000 people found that green tea consumption significantly lowered both total and LDL cholesterol compared to other drinks. For most people, green tea isn't a miracle cure, but as a daily habit, it gently nudges those numbers in the right direction while supporting your overall heart health. Be mindful of caffeine if you're sensitive. Stick with brewed tea rather than high-dose supplements, and consult your doctor if you have heart rhythm concerns. Brew your tea with hot, not boiling, water and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding a squeeze of lemon is great, but skip the sugar and milk to keep it heart healthy. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day spread across the morning and afternoon. If you're sensitive to caffeine, start slow and work with your doctor's guidance. As comforting as this warm cup is, our number 1 drink does something different. It physically grabs cholesterol and helps escort it right out of the body. This is the morning her routine truly changes. Instead of toast and butter with coffee, she decides to build one single drink that checks almost every heart-healthy box at once. Oats are rich in a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan. In the digestive tract, it forms a thick gel that binds cholesterol, preventing it from entering the bloodstream and carrying it out of the body. Meta-analyses show that getting at least 3 grams per day of oat beta-glucan can significantly lower LDL cholesterol. The FDA even allows health claims for this heart protective effect. In liquid form, beta-glucan can spread through the gut more evenly, making it especially effective at reducing cholesterol absorption. Plus, it's easier on digestion and appetite for many seniors. Oats are very safe, but build your fiber intake gradually and drink plenty of water throughout the day. If you have celiac disease, always choose certified gluten-free oats. Start with half a cup of rolled oats and a cup of fortified oat milk for a double dose of beta-glucan. Add a tablespoon of almond butter for heart-healthy, unsaturated fats. Add half a banana and a cup of frozen berries for extra antioxidants. Blend until completely smooth. You've just combined every heart-healthy helper into one satisfying creamy glass. This hero recipe is Margaret's new morning staple, a tasty, simple way to support smoother cholesterol numbers and a healthier heart every single day. Margaret doesn't have to drink all 5 every day. Instead, she rotates them through the week, aiming to regularly include oats, plus 1 or 2 other options she actually enjoys. None of these drinks replace medical care. Statins and other prescribed medicines remain key tools, and any changes should always be coordinated with your healthcare team. At her next visit, her LDL isn't perfect, but it's measurably lower. Her doctor sees the trend and smiles, saying, "Whatever you're doing with your food and drink, keep going." Back home, she realizes that every small choice adds up. You might recognize a bit of yourself in Margaret, the desire to stay independent and the hope that it's never too late to nudge those numbers. If you've watched this far, you care deeply about your heart. These drinks are tools, not cures. They work best alongside your doctor's advice, movement, and heart-smart eating. This video is for education only. Before making big changes, especially if you take heart or diabetes medications, please talk with your own healthcare provider first. Consider subscribing to Wise Nourish to help this reach more seniors staring at a red circled number. And in the comments, share, which of these 5 drinks are you ready to try this week?